Hey guys, this is Jamil and you are watching JDCAD. In this short video tutorial I will tell you how we can convert a JPG file into an AutoCAD drawing. So basically what I will do is I will simply attach this JPG file to my AutoCAD drawing and then I will trace on it. So how we can do it, let us do this one. So first of all I will right click it and edit this one. So why I do this, I will simply, the background is white and the other things here you can see are on different colors. When we attach this drawing into AutoCAD and when we trace it, it will be harder for us to use it to place lines and other things, because the background will be white. So we are used to black backgrounds, so it is better to make this one black also. In here in paint, it is simple paint, I simply right click and edit and it will open in paint, or otherwise you can go to file and and open from this one, open and go to your paint, and that's it. I will go to, from here I will do select all and then I will right click and I will say select Invert Colors. So as you can see, all of the background is black now and our drawing is in different colors. So whatever we have to draw, whatever are the objects, are clearly visible now. I will simply save it, or you can save it as if you want to make a copy. So now what I will do is I'll open an AutoCAD, my AutoCAD file, whatever it is. First I will close it, so I will give you a start. First of all, you need to know if your drawing is in imperial or in metric system. As I can see here, if you zoom, my drawing is in feet and inches, so I will use imperial template file from here. If you go to AutoCAD and you can see here it is no template, I will use imperial. Fine. In here what I can use is I will go to extras, I can go to my file and simply drag it into AutoCAD, and here it comes and it asks for insertion point. Click anywhere you want, and scale factor you can say 1, enter, and angle you can give any if you want, otherwise hit enter for 0. I will hit enter for 0. As you can see, the background is black and the objects are very clearly visible in the drawing. Now what is the next thing we have to do? We need to scale this drawing, so that's it. As we can see in this drawing, the total length of this portion from here up to here, as we can see here is the dimension, and it shows from here up to here it is 130 feet. So what we will do, I will simply draw a line, a polyline, as you can see here, and I will F8. From here I will make an offset O, enter, 130 feet, enter. Sorry, my units are not in feet, decimal, and I will select it architectural and feet. Sorry, it should be feet. Okay. From here I will select offset O, enter, and I'll say 130 feet. As we see, if you zoom all, you can see here 130 feet is from here up to here. So what I will do is align this drawing with my drawing objects. I will say A, L, enter, and I will select the first corner of this dimension, that shows 130 feet. I will select first corner, which is this one, and F8 I will switch off, click on here, and then I will click on the second one then I will go to here, click it and right click, and it says align scale objects. That's it. If they are asking if you want to scale the object, I will select yes, we need to scale it. I'll delete this line and the other line over here, that's it. I'll move it to keep it here. Now if I go to my PL in here, what is the length over here? Approximately, if we can check, it should be 30 feet and 5 inches. As you can see here, it is 30 feet and 5 inches. One dimension you have selected and scaled, all of the others will be automatically scaled. If you can see here, 35 feet and 1 inches. I will select from here, and if by switching on ortho, I will make a line 35 feet and 1 inches. Enter. It goes exactly where it should be. That's it. So from here now on, I can go on tracing by giving the exact given, what you can say, the dimensions. I will select this one is 30 feet 5 inches, 30 feet 5 inches. Enter. And it goes here some distance, then it goes here 4 feet, and then it is around whatever it is. You can select it. Dimensions are not shown here because I took it approximately. So you can select it. You have to enter the exact values for, and this one up to here. That's it. I will explode it and I will make it offset. As per this one, it's 67 feet. Here you can see up to here it will come. So as you can see, all of the things will be automatically scaled once you scale one of the things. So that's it. The first thing I will suggest is, whenever you are going to draw anything, start making layers. Like I will say I was drawing wall, and then I was going to draw curbs, and then I was going to draw road marking and other things. So first thing is, it is best practice to make layers and then work on it, so it will be easier for you to handle the drawing when you are done. So this is how you can convert your image file into an AutoCAD drawing. I hope it is easy for you. You can understand. If you have any other idea, any other options that you know, you can simply let me know in the comments below, and you can if you want to know more things, you can log on to freecadtipsandtricks.com, where there are many professionals available. They can tell you how, if you have any queries, any of the problems in AutoCAD, you can tell us. There will be people available for you to tell you anything, any problem you have in AutoCAD or any of the CAD program. They can let you know how to do things, how to do this and that, and they can also explain the videos that we are making on this channel. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.